Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. In this week's episode, we'll be making a delicious salmon in Florentine sauce, served with fusilli pasta tossed in a creamy pistachio and pesto sauce. If you want to learn how to make this delicious and super easy dish, then keep on watching. Let's start by seasoning the salmon. So in a bowl, combine paprika, salt, onion powder, and pepper. And mix it all together. Next, brush the salmon with olive oil on both sides to keep it moist and flavorful. After that, season it with a spice mix. Next, grab your cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. Then mince one onion. And a few cloves of garlic. Lastly, chop up 2 shiitake mushrooms. Earlier, we started heating the water for the pasta. Once it comes to a boil, add your fusilli and cook it according to the package instructions. For this one, it says the pasta will be al dente in about 11 minutes. In a separate pan, heat some oil and pan fry the salmon until it's golden brown and cook through. Don't forget to stir the pasta from time to time. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and set it aside in a bowl. Just continue cooking the salmon until golden brown. Once it is done, set it aside for now. In the same pan where you cook the salmon, add the onions and saute them. Then, add the mushrooms and season with a pinch of salt. In the pot you used for the pasta, melt some butter, Then stir in the pesto sauce and pistachio powder or pistachio bits. Add a little pasta water to thin out the sauce. And then toss the pasta back in to coat it evenly. Back to the pan, add the cherry tomatoes and let them soften a bit. Now return to the pot with the pasta and stir in some Parmesan cheese to give it that final touch. Also add a little salt. Back to the pan again, pour in the cooking cream. Sprinkle in Parmesan cheese and squeeze in some lemon juice. Add the spinach and a little pesto sauce, stirring until the spinach wilts. Lastly, place the salmon back in the pan and coat it with the sauce. Once everything is ready, it's time to plate. Serve the fusilli pasta on a plate and place the salmon on top, drizzling the Florentine sauce over it. Now it's finally done! Enjoy this juicy salmon in a creamy sauce with spinach and cherry tomatoes, served with fusilli pasta mixed with pistachio and pesto. And this concludes our 38th episode. We hope you enjoyed this week's recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!